Credit approval process and legal execution. Optimizing legal execution process for credit approval. Presentation overview. Credit approval process. The credit approval process is a critical step in the legal execution process after credit approval. Understanding how it works is crucial to ensuring a successful legal execution process. Legal review. The legal review process is an important step in the legal execution process after credit approval. It involves reviewing the agreement and ensuring that it complies with legal requirements and company policies. Negotiation. The negotiation process is a critical step in the legal execution process after credit approval. It involves negotiating terms and conditions of the agreement with the counterparty. Sign off. The sign off process is the final step in the legal execution process after credit approval. It involves signing the agreement and formally executing it. Credit approval process. Assess creditworthiness. The credit approval process begins with assessing the creditworthiness of the applicant. This involves analyzing financial statements, credit score and history, employment status, and other factors that may affect the borrower's ability to repay the loan. Analyze credit data. Credit data analysis is crucial to evaluate the credit risk associated with the borrower. This involves analyzing data such as debt to income ratio, employment history, payment history, and other factors that may affect the borrower's ability to repay the loan. Make decision. Based on the creditworthiness and credit data analysis, a decision is made to approve or decline the credit application. This decision ensures that the loan is suitable for the borrower and that the credit risk is properly evaluated. Assessment of creditworthiness, credit history. The borrower's credit history is a crucial factor in assessing creditworthiness. It includes past loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit. The credit score is used to measure the creditworthiness of the borrower. Income. The borrower's income is an important factor in assessing creditworthiness. It includes salary, wages, and other sources of income. The lender will evaluate the borrower's ability to repay the loan based on income. Assets and liabilities. The borrower's assets and liabilities are also taken into account while assessing creditworthiness. Assets include property, investments, and other valuable items, while liabilities include debts, loans, and other financial obligations. Credit analysis, financial statements. Reviewing the borrower's financial statements is a crucial step in credit analysis. It provides important information about the borrower's financial health, including their income, expenses, and debt levels. Credit reports. Credit reports provide information about the borrower's credit history, including their payment history, outstanding debts, and credit utilization. This information is used to evaluate the borrower's creditworthiness. Credit risk. Identifying credit risk is a crucial aspect of credit analysis. It involves evaluating the borrower's ability to repay the loan, including their income, debt levels, and credit history. Decision making, credit analysis. Credit analysis is a process of evaluating the creditworthiness of an individual or an organization applying for credit. Factors such as credit history, income, and debt to income ratio are considered to determine the likelihood of repayment. Credit worthiness assessment. Assessment of credit worthiness is a process of evaluating an individual's ability to repay the credit based on their credit history, income, employment status, and other factors. It helps in determining the risk involved in lending money to a particular individual or organization. Legal execution process, reviewing legal documents. The legal execution process begins with reviewing the relevant legal documents, such as contracts, agreements, and other legal paperwork. Negotiating terms and conditions. After reviewing the legal documents, the parties involved negotiate the terms and conditions of the agreement until all parties are satisfied with the final agreement. Obtaining sign off. Once the negotiations are complete, all parties involved sign off on the legal documents, indicating their agreements to the terms and conditions of the agreement. Legal review and documentation. Legal review process. The legal review process involves reviewing the terms and conditions of the loan, ensuring that they meet legal and regulatory requirements, and drafting relevant legal documents. Loan documentation. Loan documentation includes various types of legal documents such as loan agreements, security agreements, promissory notes, and mortgages. Negotiation and sign off. Negotiation. Negotiation is a process where all parties involved in the loan discuss and agree on the terms and conditions of the loan. It involves finding common ground that is acceptable to all parties. Sign off. Sign off is a process of obtaining signatures from all parties on the legal documents that finalize the loan transaction. It is a legal requirement that signifies the agreement of all parties involved. Conclusion. Managing the legal execution process after credit approval is crucial to ensure that transactions are completed smoothly and efficiently. By understanding the credit approval process and the legal execution process, you can ensure that a transaction is successful. Thank you.